Hello children. Children, in the previous video we have started with the book exercises of this lesson, Going to the Village. Now let's continue with those exercises. Take out page number 45. We will continue with the gramophone exercise. Now in this exercise we are going to study about the article the. I have already explained you about the article a and an. Now we are going to study about the use of article the. Children, the article the is used before a particular person, place or thing. When we are talking about a particular person or a particular place or a particular thing, then we use the article the. The is also used before the names of the following. The is used where? Before the names of rivers, before the names of seas and oceans, before the names of mountain ranges, before the names of certain countries, before the names of certain famous buildings, before the names of holy books, before the names of newspapers. Like you must have seen in English newspapers, the Tribune is written, the Hindustan Times is written. So when we are talking about a particular thing or when we are talking about all these things, the article the is used. Like the Nile. Nile is the name of a particular river, so the is used here. Pacific Ocean is the name of a particular ocean, so the is used here. United Kingdom is the name of a particular country, so the is used here. And Bible is the name of a particular holy book, so the is again used here. Now let's do the exercise related to the articles, which is given on the next page, page number 46. Question number I, fill in the blanks with a, an or the. The first one is dash Himalayas. Now these are the names of particular mountain range. So Himalayas, the Himalayas. Second is dash pin. The word pin begins with a consonant, so a will come. Third is dash umpire. The word umpire begins with a vowel and moreover it has a vowel sound also. So it will begin with and will come before umpire. Then number 4, dash Red Fort. It is the name of the famous building. So the will come here. Then number 5, dash river. A river, because the word river begins with a consonant. Then number 6, a tiger. Tiger again begins with a consonant, a tiger. Then number 7, dash alligator. It begins with the vowel a, then an will come here, an alligator. Number 8, dash Quran. It is the name of a holy book, so the will come here. Then number 9, dash Ganga. It is the name of a particular river, so the will come here. Then number 10, dash peak. It begins with the consonant W, so a will come here. Then number 11, dash ear. It also begins with the consonant, so a will come here. And the last one, number 12, is dash friend. It also begins with the consonant F, so a will come here. Now children, take out your workbooks. Let's do the workbook exercises. Now take out page number 23 of your English workbooks. Let's start with play with words exercise. Question number A is, a farmer works in a field. Match these people with their places of work. Now children, underline this also and learn this also. Now on the left side, the names are given and on the right side, the places of work are given. So we have to match both the columns. Don't draw the lines, write only the numbers to match. The first one is surgeon. Surgeon works in a hospital, so write here number 1. Second is judge. Judge works in a court, write here number 2. Teller works in a bank, write here number 3. Artist works in a studio, write here number 4. Then number 5, scientist works in a laboratory, write here number 5. And a florist works in a flower shop, write here number 6. So the sequence is 3, 1, 2, 6, 4, 5. Now let's move on to question number B. Unscramble the letters within the brackets and fill in the blanks with the words. Now here children, at the end of each sentence, one word is written in bracket, but that word is written in jumbled form. So we have to unscramble it and we have to write the correct word in the blank. Number 1 is, my uncle grows dash and sugarcane on his farm. The answer is wheat, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Second is, the violin and the dash are musical instruments. The answer is guitar, G-U-I-T-A-R. The third one is dash is a natural source of vitamins. The answer is fruit. Here F will be capital as it is the beginning of a sentence. So F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Then number 4 is I help my mother to water the dash, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S. Then number 5 is do not waste water and dash. The answer is electricity, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y, electricity. So here we finish with the workbook exercises. In the next video, we will do the question answers of this lesson. Thank you.